Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today we're doing another Pinterest recreating winter outfits video. It's always a mouthful to get out. I never know how to properly say that, but we're back. I'm excited to style another 4 outfits with you guys, and I have two overall outfits that we're going to again attempt. I don't try any of these outfits before I recreate them. I'm sure you can tell by my very honest reaction when I put it together, whether I love it or hate it. But yeah, I have some more like coats, layering pieces again as we're into the winter season. It's all about layering, and I feel like these outfits are applicable to whether you live in a warm or cold climate. You can always add extra layers underneath, and you can always swap something that's like a sweater or sweatshirt for a t-shirt or a long sleeve. It's super versatile when it comes to that, and just layering underneath whatever, all those things. But I have 4 outfits that I'm super excited to style with you guys today. I will have my Pinterest as well as the items, if they're still available in stock, whatever, in the description box down below. But I really encourage you, like always, to really shop your own wardrobe and use Pinterest as a way to inspire your current fashion that you have, or if it means that you need to switch, whatever the case may be. But I really encourage you to utilize what we have, play up different things so many different ways. A lot of the times you will see pieces throughout many of these videos that are very much the same, and I do that for a reason, because I really want to encourage you that you don't need this ginormous wardrobe in order to create many different outfits. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump on in. Let's start with outfit number 1, which I love this fit. I can't tell if she's wearing trousers. I'm sure she is, but you know what? I'm going comfy. I'm going with joggers, okay? I think that's the fun thing, is like, it's up to your interpretation, it's up to your style, your comfort, whatever. Like, this outfit looks very casual, or very like chic, very high-end, but you could go super comfy by switching out a couple key pieces, keeping it within that same color family, and being just so warm and cozy. So I'm super excited to recreate this. Hopefully it looks as good in my head as it does on my body, but let's go ahead and try to recreate look number 1. Let's jump into outfit number 1. I really wanted to find an outfit that I felt inspired by, that I can make a little more comfy and casual, but also style this new, I'm like, use your own wardrobe, whatever. I realized I really wanted a long gray coat, so I went out and bought it, because I realized how much I want one because of how many outfits I'm drawn to that has one. So this is a good example. So it has a great coat, but let's change into our base layer. I'm wearing a black turtleneck. These videos have also encouraged me to embrace the turtleneck. So we're gonna go black turtleneck, and then these super cute athletic pants from Halara, because they look comfy. So let's do it. Again, I'm like 99% sure she's wearing trousers, but I think that this still works because you're wearing a big coat over it, so you can't see anything. She has some black and white Vejas. I think I say it wrong every time. But I think I'm gonna go with my Samba, because my Vejas, whatever you call it, are like a creamy tan, and so I think I want to stick with the black and white, which her Vejas are. So let's throw these babies on. I just bought my son a pair of these, and they're so cute. All right. So, base outfit on. I think she shows a little ankle in hers. She's not. Maybe she's wearing black socks. Okay, well, I can't be bothered. I guess she could pair it with black socks, but I probably wouldn't. So yeah, again, inspired. She has her hair in a top knot, which is good, because I don't feel like taking mine out, because it's a mess. Oops, man down. Okay, this gray coat. So I now own this in the brown and in the gray. I did get the gray in a small, whereas the brown one I have in an extra small. Hers is a little bit more like, I don't know, like bigger lapels and such, but I think this jacket is so good. It's not like lined or anything, so it's not the warmest, but it's the perfect little coat again if you live somewhere where it's not insanely cold, or you like are gonna layer underneath it. I think it's fine. So love this. And like, can you tell I'm wearing comfy pants? No, you can't. So yeah, I'm obsessed. Kidding. This is so good. It's comfy. It's such a basic outfit with just a black long sleeve and like track pants, and then you throw a coat and sunglasses on and you instantly look put together. It's so wild how just a couple of basic must-have accessories can completely change the look of your outfit. So Hers, mine. What do you think? I love this. I think it's classic. I think it's like chilling at home, throw this on and you're good to go out to dinner, whatever. It's so cute. I love this. Yes, outfit number 1 was a win. Let's move on to outfit number 2. Okay, look number 2, we are jumping into the overalls. So this first one I saw was very cute. I feel like, I don't know, trench overalls, we'll see how it goes. I have high hopes though. I feel like it'll be cute with the dad sneakers. Again, I've struggled finding ways to wear my overalls in the winter and fall. And I know some of you guys have because you've left comments for me. So again, if there's any sort of specific item that you want to see styled, let me know always in the comments down below and I will do my best to recreate it for you if I own that piece or it's like applicable to my fashion. But anyway, I think this outfit's super cute. She's super cute. So let's see if I look as good as she does in outfit number 2. Hair is officially a disaster. So let's deal with that in a second. Okay. Overalls, white tee, and it's full button or full strappage. Now she kind of has a little bit of a cuff going on. Yeah, I already love the New Balance with the overalls. Cute. She has her hair up in like a top knot and we know we can't really do that, but we're gonna try. Make it look cute with all my stuff hanging out. Why are my glasses always filthy? I do not care. She has a trench on. I'm feeling this is more like late spring, but I mean, it could work. Mine's a little bit bigger. You get the vibe. Oh, this is cute. This is like running to the... This is so wrinkly. Okay, and she has a super cute dog. I'm not gonna wake my dog up, who is equally just as cute, because she's old and she's tired. So this is her. This is me. You get the vibe? What do we think? I think it's cute. It's giving more spring though, I will say. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be winter, but I really enjoy it. I think it's super cute. I think it's just giving more spring. So let's see if outfit number 3, my next overall outfit, gives more winter. I have higher hopes. Outfit number 3, another pair of overalls. I think this is it's a stretch with overalls, but I love this girl. Her name is Vanessa. I follow her on Instagram. She's so cute. She does so much Abercrombie sort of fashion and I really love her. But she pulls this off a lot. She wears overalls quite a bit. So I'm like debating if overalls with a vest, I don't know. We're gonna see. I don't have a brown vest, but I do have a black one. Again, utilizing what we have. So let's see how I make this work. I don't know. We're gonna see. So let's see if I can pull off outfit number 3. So I was originally thinking long sleeve, but then I found this little crew, which I think will be better. Plus, it'll match the black in the little like puffy vest thing. So let's swap the t-shirt out and just put it over the top. A low bun. She always has this like slick back bun, like in all of her pictures, I feel like. And I'll do my little nub. So grateful for this nub that I've got going on. Okay, so I feel like this is gonna look more wintry, but I'm questioning if I'm really gonna like the look of it. So we'll see. I feel like my overalls are just like a little too like short in terms of like the crotch area for a double buckle, which I guess I didn't realize. It's not a problem when I just have like a tank or a t-shirt on. It's a problem when I have like a hoodie on though, because it just feels like I'm like gonna give myself a frontal wedgie. Now she has these Tasman Uggs, which last year she drove me wild with all of her pictures. I don't know if I love this. She drove me wild with all of her pictures because I didn't get the Uggs last year. And I got them this year, and I'm like, finally, I can recreate all of her outfits because she wears the heck out of these things. So it's giving comfortable, but it's giving very farm girl. She looks chic in it, I feel like. I feel like this is gonna be a fail. Y'all, I might just tell you, okay, I don't hate it, but I might just tell y'all to just put those overalls away until spring. This isn't bad, but honestly, it's not great. Hers, mine. It's not bad, but it's not great. I do like the black with the black. I think that elevates it more than just like a plain white long sleeve, and it makes it more cozy and comfy. It's not bad, but I don't think it's good. So let me know. What do you think? Would you wear this? I don't know if I would. Like, I'm not mad at it, but it feels confusing. It feels confusing, so I don't know. Let's move on to outfit number 4. Okay, outfit number 4, so cute, so comfy, so cozy, and I know I'm gonna love this one. It's a graphic hoodie. It's an oversized textured blazer. It's leggings, socks, and sneakers. What more could you want? I think it's so cute, and it's wanting me to expand my graphic hoodie sweatshirt vibes, but I love everything about this outfit. And to top it all off, she's wearing a hat, so I know I'm gonna love outfit number 4, so let's recreate outfit number 4. If this sort of outfit resonates with you, check out my athleisure Pinterest video that I did, because I basically did a billion of these. Just kidding, I did like 4 of these same style looks. So slip on our sneaks. Masks that I make after every one of these videos makes me just unwell. This is an outfit that, like, if you work from home, don't have to be featured on camera, it's a weekend with your chillins and you're just like in leggings and a graphic, you could instantly throw this stuff on and like go to lunch and be cute if you care about that, which sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I got this little patterned blazer and I want to style it, so let's pair with this. It's a little bit different than hers. Obviously hers is a little bit darker, but I think this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of a fan. What do you think? I think this is so cute. Super comfortable. I love it. Covers the tush. I'm a fan. I think it killed. Outfit number 4. It's probably my favorite. Alright you guys, that wraps up yet another Pinterest in real life. Creating outfits that inspire me on Pinterest. Again, I will have my Pinterest link down below. As always, let me know what your favorite outfit was down below in the comments. I'm always curious to see. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video helpful, and I hope it inspires you to really shop your own wardrobe and find inspiration, but not replicate someone else's style to their exact shirt they're wearing. Do what you can. Use what you have in your wardrobe, do what you can, and make fashion fun. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.